Now let's see how to make a live video stream very nicely from your PC. So for that now we are using GoToWebinar. So just type GoToWebinar sign up. Okay, and here click on this. This is for the lecturers to make the meetings for the students live stream, and here start for free. Okay, then here type this first name, write some names, yeah, last name, then email. This is I'm creating the account. I don't have account yet, I just have one email, so I'm typing my email. Okay, then contact number, these are all optional, just type one password. Then yeah, select your sites and give sign up. This is a trial version and it's for 7 days. After 7 days, just use other mail ID and create the account, and you can make use of this. Now it's opening the dashboard. What are your primary goals? Just type some training or anything, or just skip it. Okay, then here it's a logged in. Now it's showing schedule your event, share your event. Here everything is that, schedule your event. Okay, yeah, scheduler here, that means we need to schedule one time for it. So event title, I will give event name as trial 1. Okay, this is my meeting name. Then here live or pre-recorded, we can see a recorded event that audience can join anytime or at the set of your choosing, but now we prefer this live video. Yeah, I clicked this and occurs it's only once. And start date, here just time change this time to plus 5:30, that's the Indian standard timing. So for that yeah, okay, then here start time. Now the time is 10:05, so I will set this as 10:07. Okay, 10:07 is the end time you can set. Then how do you want to interact with attendees? This webcast like streamed webinar up to 100 attendees, good for lead generations, and this is fully interactive webinar, so it is better I think. Just yeah, then okay, schedule. We scheduled this. Yeah, then we have to give, we have to share our meetings. That means now we will get some link here. So this is my start to share your link. I will share this link, share. Okay, this is my link, so I will copy this. Yeah, we will copy link address, and I will share this to, okay, copy event info. Yeah, this is copied. Now you can see that I will share that to my phone or anything. Yeah, this is that register of trial 1. Yeah, this I will send to my friends. Okay, then yeah, trial 1, this I will start in as a host. I am a host, so I will give start, and in another phone I will download that app. Yeah, those videos, that mobile screen video, I will share at the end of this. So here it's showing allow GoToWebinar to launch. Click open GoToWebinar if promoted. Yeah, here it has to download something. So wait, yeah, download and run. Yeah, it's downloading. It's downloaded. Just open it. It is the file. Starting now. Showing your session. Yeah, your session could begin shortly. In your phone, just search GoToWebinar in a Play Store and download the app. That's not in host phone. In others phone, they have to download that app. Then when they open the app, or they need to click the link that you shared. When we click that link, okay, in phone I am clicking that link. Yeah, it will open the GoToWebinar in the phone. Here it's verifying. It's verifying. Let's wait for some time. Here you can see it's started. This how would you like to listen, means it will give this computer audio and okay. Then here you can see.
Welcome to the webinar. You have entered as an organizer and may now speak to any other organizers or panelists on the line. When you are ready to begin the presentation, press the Start Broadcast button on the GoToWebinar control panel to allow all attendees to hear you. This system will notify you once you begin your broadcast.
Okay, this is the start broadcast. After you setting up, that means front camera and all, you need to just broadcast it. Okay, here yeah, this is the people can hear you if you, this is your mic, and this one is your video. That means when you click it, your front cam will get open. Now you can see your image here. I think, yeah, you can see that. Okay, then this is the, you can share your screen. Okay, this one we need to start the broadcast. This is the front cam, and here, okay, I will start the broadcast.
The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Yeah, here it will show the attendees, but here there is no attendees. Yeah, I will add the attendees. In my phone, I will log into this. Yeah, in my phone it's showing waiting for the organizer, and here I broadcast it. It's joining in phone. Joining your webinar. Yeah, it's joining. Now in phone, yeah, I will share the record of the screen record.
An attendee in listen-only mode.
Oh, it will sound will be crack. Yeah, here we can see now my live streaming, and here if I off this, yeah, in the phone it will off, and here this the front cam video. If I on this, the users can see the front cam. This is the share screen, and this is the your front camera, and you can mute that permanently. Yeah, here it is option attendee. You can mute any attendees permanently. Self muted. Yeah, here in my phone I will unmute it. Yeah, I unmuted. Here you can see that, but if you mute here, then the user cannot able to unmute this from his phone, so we can control anyone from this. Yeah, then after it you have to close this meeting. Just close this, and webinar for all. Yes. Yeah, so from this you can make a webinar like a screen sharing, and your video sharing, and the quality is also very nice. Okay, that's it. Thank you.